Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Hi guys, good morning. So yesterday was about -6 degrees centigrade or below zero basically, and today is about 1 or 2 degrees. So I thought let's come out for a ride. It's early March. I think till end of March it's going to be quite cold. We can have snow also again, but it's a nice sunny day, so I thought let's keep riding. And I walked out of the house without the GoPro. Then I said, come on, let me carry the GoPro. It was charged, and I said, let me take the GoPro also. So I'm vlogging for you guys after a long time. I'm telling you, life is getting more and more busy, which is a good thing and a bad thing, but I'm very happy to be vlogging, that too on the bike. So let's get off and talk to you some more. So thanks to this GoPro clip, I can clip it anywhere on the bike actually. Yeah, so bike is looking good, and I wore my thick leather jacket. I forgot to bring my shades, so I'm frowning in the sun over here. But here's my bike, and everyone has seen it, I guess. I'm wearing my old Arai helmet, one of my favorite helmets. I've got the SW Moto tank bag on, which has my wallet and everything, and I've kept the panniers at home. Obviously, unless I go somewhere far, I don't need the panniers. So enjoying, having fun. Got the bike back about a month early because they could have kept it till end of March, but I decided to bring it back home. So they did a good job of maintaining the bike and keeping the engine and battery and everything in top shape. So I always prefer to give my bike to the professionals to keep it during winter, but around end Feb, early March, I always feel like getting it back. Anyways, let's keep riding, and we'll talk some more little later. Alright, getting the gloves on. These are the winter gloves, and I also have heated grips, which comes with the BMW. So Harley Davidson never had heated grips. That was the bad part. Engine on. Alright. So guys, there's still snow on the ground, and I'm riding the snow all over. Very beautiful area here. Just having a good time on the bike after long. Just riding anywhere I can, and whenever I get a parking lot, I'm stopping and sharing some videos with you. The snow is still around, and it's still pretty cold. My hands are getting red now without the gloves. Yeah, a lot of dirt on the snow also. Bike is doing great. Actually, the bike has just finished about 1 year. I know last March I had bought it, I think Feb or March. So it's been a year of COVID and the bike. So the bike has been pretty much living during the COVID time, which is a bad thing. But I'm happy I can still ride, not far, not out of town, but at least getting to ride within the city and nearby my house. Beautiful day, people jogging, and those are some pickleball courts over there. So we got a lot of stuff happening around here. That's the expressway, which I'm not going to go on today at least. Yeah, I've got my gloves, so I need to wear them before I start freezing again. I think it's time to hit the road. We'll see you in a bit. Okay, guys, I have come for a ride, and there are all horse stables over here. I don't see any horses now because it's like afternoon, noon time. But it's so pretty over here. All the horses are out in the morning, so it's very nice. Got a nice thumbnail as well, so hopefully it'll come out nice. Just riding and thought of showing you. It's so quiet and peaceful over here, guys. There's not a single car that I can hear or noise that I can hear. It's just you can sit here for hours. Just check how beautiful. GoPro has just crashed again. I don't know what the problem is with GoPro. So whenever you need it, it'll just crash and then you have to take out the battery, take out the memory card. It's a bloody pain. I think my iPhone is much better. But every ride has to end with a nice coffee. So I'm here. Starbucks is just there. Going to have my coffee. And it's been 1 year with this bike, guys. And I'm very embarrassed to say I haven't ridden it much. So I'm not going to share how many miles or whatever because I have a lot of friends in India and the US who have ridden thousands of miles. That's good for them. I've not ridden that much in this 1 year, but in terms of moving from a Harley Davidson to this BMW, I have no regrets. I love this bike. This is my prized possession after my family. Family always comes first, right? So bike is second, but this is my number one prized possession, which I will cherish at least for the next few years until something better comes. So wanted to make a video of this ride. I go for a lot of rides, but I don't take videos all the time because I haven't set up my GoPro and the mic and all that stuff. I'm not so good at all that. But signing out now. Please like the video. Please subscribe. And see you on the next one, guys. Take care. Bye. All right. Time to start her up. Let's roll back.